Beta is in for 2024, and there is their first signing for the team being Benny Bloss. It's cool. Seeing another factory team, this being the Liqui Beta Racing team, so I'm assuming factory supported, could be some pretty good money, full mechanics, full support, all that kind of stuff, any trick parts they want, whatever you want to say it. Their team manager saying, quote, "The wait is over and we can finally share everything we have been working towards. It has been a great experience being a part of this development and seeing the progression. The only missing part was finding a rider that would mesh well with our beta family. After one phone call with Benny, we knew it would be a good fit for him and for us. We are happy to have him on board for the next 2 years and can't wait to see everyone at Anaheim in January." And that was Carlin Gardner, their race team manager. And this is the first of two, so they're gonna. I don't know if it's another 450 rider or a 450 and a 250, kind of deal, but it's good. Any new teams in the sport, more money, more sponsors, giving guys that aren't just the tip of the top a factory supported ride with all the trick parts they want and everything else. It's gonna be cool. I hope he does well. I hope they do well, and I hope showing progress, or whatever you want to call it, gets them to expand into it. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think they're going to do? How well do you think he's going to do and the team's going to do? And who do you think is going to be the other rider? Whatever it is, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.